Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. In this episode, we're going to replace the regulating screw in a Delta Teck II manual flushometer. This applies to both urinals and water closets, as the models are nearly identical except for the spud diameter and size. To begin, you'll need a regulating screw, a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, a pipe cleaner, and an 8-point star bit or number 3 Robertson screwdriver. Flushometers are also known as flush valves, but function quite differently from the flush valves found in residential toilets. In a Delta Teck II, a flexible rubber diaphragm sits between the upper and lower chambers. At rest, high-pressure water in the upper chamber keeps the diaphragm closed tightly on the valve seat. When the handle is pressed, the relief valve opens and releases the water from the upper chamber. This creates a vacuum which lifts the diaphragm up from the valve seat. The water from the inlet then travels down the flush pipe. As the water flows, some of the water slowly travels through the bypass and will eventually fill the upper chamber. The flush will continue until the pressure pushes the diaphragm down once again. Over time, the regulating screw can build up with debris. This blockage will prevent water from filling the upper chamber and can cause continuous flushing. First, shut off the water to the flushometer, remove the cap, and use a flat blade screwdriver to turn the screw clockwise until the inlet stop closes. Next, hold down the handle to remove any remaining water. Remove the cover screw using an 8-point star bit. A number 3 Robertson screwdriver should work as well. Now, remove the cover. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew and remove the cast cap. Use a flat blade screwdriver to loosen the regulating screw. Since the screw has an O-ring, it will start spinning in the hole, so you'll need pliers to completely pull the screw out. Now, make sure that the screw hole is clean and not obstructed by any debris or sediment. You can use a pipe cleaner to help clear out the hole. Seat the new regulating screw and tighten it until it's flush with the bottom of the cast cap. Now, place the cast cap over top. Make sure that the side marked handle is pointing towards the handle. Next, tighten the mounting screws. Replace the cover and tighten the cover screw. Open the shutoff valve and replace the cap. Finally, test the flushometer and check for any leaks. The first flush will remove the air from the system, and the second flush should function as normal. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date with Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.